Today's project, we're working on a development of 3 houses, putting 17 panels in each with 6 kilowatt EcoFlow inverter with 15 kilowatts of storage battery. So the experience of fitting the PowerOcean, it's been not difficult to fit. It's been really easy just to put everything together, to integrate it all together, get it all set up on the internet, which is what you want as an installer.
Everything about EcoFlow, it's easy to install. Everything is being gathered by one application. You have a third-party application, you'll be able to incorporate into our EcoFlow when it comes to smart homes as well.
So if you're thinking about putting solar panels on your roof, buying inverters, battery storage, switching to an electric vehicle, moving away from petrol and diesel, moving to an air source heat pump from a gas boiler, these are all great decisions to make, but you have to be aware of the considerations, right? So solar panels, as you can see from behind me, they sit on your roof and you can notice them from far away. Personally, I think this is a great virtue signal to say, I care about my planet, I care about my community, because we're essentially making this a cleaner place.
The benefit of the battery is that it's stackable, so it's really fast and easy to install. You can also store your energy from your solar panels and use it later at night, or charge at a cheaper rate overnight and use throughout the day.
So EcoFlow has been a fantastic company to partner with. Every single job we've done so far, they've provided technical support either on the ground or remotely to make sure that the installation of PowerOcean goes as seamlessly as possible. We've also had a number of interactions with their marketing team and sales organization who also help us to advertise the product and promote it to our clients accordingly.